Hey Beamers, welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the E46. We're diving into something critical that has to do with your stability control today. We're going to show you how to do it. If you have an E46, an E85 Z4, or an E60 5 series, chances are your sensor is hiding under the seat like this one. We're going to show you how to do it. It's going to be quick and simple. If you haven't been on the channel, please drop a like, comment where you're from. I'll make sure I mention you on the next video if you have something cool. Also, hit that subscribe button. It's free. I bring a lot of content for you guys to help you repair your Beamers. And as a reminder, we still have the initiative to come to you to repair your Beamer for free. So drop a comment, tell me where you're from, what Beamer you have, what problem you have, and we're going to choose someone randomly to come and repair your Beamer. I'm located in Texas, but this is not limited to anyone in the United States. Without further ado, let's get to work. This guy is probably unrelated to my issue, but I do have an issue with the rotational sensor, vehicle rotational sensor or something like that. It's under the seat, out of all places. But we're gonna scan it and show you what we got, and then show you how to fix it. Let's get to it. And the yaw sensor is very expensive, so you're gonna need to either get it from eBay or a junkyard. I think brand new is several $100. But anyway, to repair that, we'll have to remove the seat. 15 mil on each side. And then we got another one here. And then we're gonna slide the seat forward and do the rear. It will have ABS, even though it's on. I have tested ABS works. And the traction doesn't work because I can do burnouts. All right, so they're 16, not 15. I lied. So I took these two off, and we're gonna just move the seat forward, take the rears off. Yes, because this is the side of the seat belt, there are two bolts on this side, but on that side there's only one. So you got three total in the back. It looks like we can get the seat out. All right, so for you to pull this out, you might want to disconnect the battery. But I got a Maxxis, so I can just reset the airbag light. But once you disconnect the seat, your airbag light is gonna come on. I think I just found a knife. Oh, what? That's cool. I bought this car from this old gentleman. This is pretty cool. All right, so to pull this out, you want to pull on this. Just pull that this way, and then the connector will come out. I don't have a third hand, so I'll have to put you down. So yeah, as you pull this piece out, connector will come out. Now we have a airbag light on. See that? But we can reset it, no big deal. But for you, disconnect the battery and you'll be fine. All right, so this hole I'm gonna pull mine out. Fold all the way in, and then the steering wheel all the way up. Probably also in. Make yourself some room, and then open the door all the way, and then we're just gonna pull it out. Try not to scratch any of this stuff, all your trims. Ask me how I know. All right, so we're gonna clean all this mess. I ended up taking it out backrest facing down. All right, so I think we're in. All right, let's cut this off. And that goes through this giant rivet deal. You rotate that. Keep rotating it counterclockwise. It's like a nut. And then now you have your carpet. So the next deal is we gotta remove this. And I think to remove this, we'll have to just pull on it. Okay, so if I were you, I would slide this, because I did break this. So I broke mine, so you don't break yours. This looks like it just slides out. You can take it out this way.
I would take all these off, put them on here, and then just push it in. I think to remove it, you can just slide it out. Anyway, that's out. Now we can pull the carpet up. There's a bunch of stuff down here. And this is the sensor. See that? That's the sensor. We're gonna pull it out. eBay, here I come. All right, gents, we're back. Ordered it from eBay. It's right here. You plug it in first. That makes your life easier. And then you just put it down here and put the two 10mm in. Yeah, it was about 120 bucks from eBay. They're not cheap, so just heads up. But that defeats the 600 bucks for brand new. Okay, 10 mil. You don't need to torque it too much. It's plastic. It just needs to be grounded. And then we're gonna reset the codes and see what happens. So, got the Maxxis right here. Let's see. Rotation rate sensor. Let's reset it. Well, that's still on. Huh. Well, it's gone now. Yeah, looks like it's gone. It just clicked. Now it's gone. It will click. I just heard it click. The airbag is because I have the seat disconnected. So, like I said, make sure the battery is disconnected when you do this. It'll be all good. Need anything, hit me up on the comment section. I'll respond immediately. Thank you.